back to my YouTube channel. You know, it's a girl Rosh Wavy, and today I'm going to be telling you guys what I should have told you guys probably a couple months ago, but it just come back to me and I'm gonna tell you now, I swear. So today's video I'm going to be telling you guys tips and tricks and things that I wish I knew before I started YouTube. You have to be very unique with you and your content. You need to find a reason as to why persons need to watch your content or why persons want to watch your content. Why is your content worthy to be on XYZ platform? So you need to find something unique about you. The way how you present your content. Is it the type of content that you present? What kind of people you're gonna gravitate to? Things like that. For me, that's my personality. I just need this. So I think that's just what gravitates persons to me. You have to be consistent. That is my biggest downfall. I'm not consistent at all. 1 minute I might be getting 10k views, next minute I'm getting 300 because guess what, I wait 2-3 months before I post the next video, and that's just it. Because persons of when you're active persons can go back and say, oh yeah, me know she go post panda day, or me know this, that and whatever, so I can look out for a video for you. The more often persons see your content is the more they're gonna familiarize themselves with you, and then your content is going to, it's like it's gonna create them all crave for more of your content once they're interested, right? So once someone see your content enough, yeah, Rosh Wavy got stuck in them head. Them gonna remember the name there, definitely. Copyright. This is the biggest thing, yo. I wish I knew this before I started YouTube. To be entirely honest, you know how much? Well, I'm not going to say a lot, but thank God it wasn't a lot. But I had like 3 videos that were copyrighted. So what this means is YouTube has a policy. You cannot use like popular people's songs in your videos, because if you do that, they're going to claim for it and take money from your video. Once you're able to monetize your videos and you start once you start make money off of your video, then you put somebody's song in there. Say for example, you put a Bad Cartel song, or you put a Shensia song in your video, they're going to claim, Shensia people and Ramesh them are gonna claim for the fact that Shensia song in your video, and they're going to take money from that. So the money that you're supposed to be making, you're not gonna make that. Ramesh get that, Shensia get that. What you need to do is use non-copyrighted music. I'm going to leave a link down below where you guys can find non-copyrighted music. They have like enough songs where you can use. It depends on the vibes that you want. If you want happy, sad, you know, your feeling, Spanish song, and mix up there. They have all type of songs, all type of instrumental that you guys can use. I'm so sorry for the things that you guys see flying around. I don't know why they ain't coming here now when we decide to do my video, but we're gonna move on. The thing is, you need to promote your video well, and what I mean by that is, yes, you made a video, for example this video, you make this video, you put it on YouTube and you leave it there. Who you expect to watch it? How are they going to know that you put out a new video if they haven't clicked the bell, if they haven't subscribed to you? How is it that they're going to know that you put out a new video? So what you need to do, you need to use the social media platforms that you're on to boost your videos. You need to go on Instagram, you need to put up a synopsis of the video or the thumbnail of the video or something. Oh my god, that's so disgusting. I'm sorry. Put up something about the video to make persons know that you actually posted a new video. Find the funniest part in the video, find the most interesting part, the part that will gravitate persons to watch the video, and upload it on your channel, on your social media platform. So that is Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp. Use every platform possible to promote your video. Apart from doing that, apart from putting up a part of the video itself, what you need to do is also send around the link. For me, what I would normally do is I take a part of this video, I post it all over my social media, in my story, on my timeline, on my feed, everywhere. And then when I go over to WhatsApp and I take the link to this video and I put it in my story, then I send a broadcast message with the link telling persons that I just posted a new video. Go check it out, watch it, subscribe, like, share, everything. That's what I do. So that is how I promote my video. Of course, there are so many other different ways that you can do it, but for me, those are the most effective ones. It's pretty easy now to do that because I mean everybody is at home due to the pandemic. So once you go on social media, it's a good percentage that they will see you posting, and then that will gain you followers or viewers and everything else, right? Drum roll. You're not going to get the money. You're not going to be monetized overnight.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
You're not gonna get the little money over it now comes, so you understand? YouTube now gonna stick up a good monitor and say here you go, you deserve this. No, you're not gonna. So if you're coming into YouTube for the money and make a sad mistake, it's going to take a while. It's not easy to make a little money on YouTube, trust me. You're coming on YouTube to make the dollar. Try the next way. Be creative. Come again, because it takes a long. You have a procedure to do in order to get monetized. You have to reach a certain criteria. I think it is 4,000 watch time and 1,000 subscribers. I think 1,000 subscribers was the easiest thing for me, but the 4,000 watch time was long after I reach 1K for subscribers. I reach 2K and I still can't get the 4K watch time, the 4,000 watch time. I'm like, come on. The watch time is going to take so long. I don't remember how they calculate the watch time, but it takes a while, and after doing that, then you have to apply to be monetized, request to be monetized, and then they will tell you whether or not yes you can monetize a video. Create an AdSense account rather. Put your address in there. After doing so, YouTube is going to email you a pin to that address that you uploaded, and then you need to enter that pin into your AdSense account for you to start receiving payments. Then you need to choose a payment option, so that may be Western Union, in your bank account, checks, stuff like that, you know. So you decide what payment option you want. It takes a while, guys. Trust and believe, it takes a while for you to get paid. It doesn't come overnight. It's really hard. So when you see the YouTubers out there and them start make them look money, you know, so them work hard for it, trust me. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna hear that. What the dog about? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoy this one and that it helped you so much, and I hope that you guys start to create better content since hearing this. Don't forget to check me out every week on here. Click the notification bell, subscribe, like, share. You don't know, it's a girl Rosh Wavy. Keep up to date with me. All my social media handles are going to be down here. The link to my store, Wavy Cosmetics, is going to be in the bio down below. And yes, everything I have on my face is from Wavy Cosmetics. So if you like something, then go down there, check out my store, and order what you want. Mwah. Go and pick up yourself.
Oh, pretty little painting hotter than a hot tool. Me I say you hot like them, I say you hot too. Yeah, me see the girls them pretty with the contour, man. I say